As Indian women, upon getting married, we are expected to leave a lot of things behind. Our names, our surnames, our careers, our parents, and a lot of things which may be absolutely dear to us. Right? Well, hello, namaste everybody. My name is Oorjasvi and I'm here to tell you that one thing which you must absolutely not leave behind. Your rights. The Indian legal system provides for a plethora of rights for all the Indian married women. I'm here to list them, take them down. Right number 1, the right to know your rights. Let no one tell you that simply because you're a married woman, the law has no place for you. Don't worry, we've got your back. Right number 2, the right to have a home. Now, be it your paternal or your matrimonial home, no daughter or daughter-in-law can be prevented from using that shelter. If you're going through a troublesome marriage, your parents cannot refuse to take you back into their house. At the same time, if you are a daughter-in-law, your husband or your in-laws cannot throw you out of your matrimonial house. Beti is no longer paraya dhan. Right number 3, the right to call out on violence. Well, the Domestic Violence Act moves beyond understanding physical violence as the only form of violence. So now, not only can your in-laws or your husband not hit you, they cannot also abuse you verbally, mentally or emotionally, economically and sexually. Which brings me to my other rights. Right to have a maintenance, right to have money for your survival and your children's survival. Every husband is liable to maintain his wife and his children. Now, of course, in situations wherein a woman earns more than the husband, the court, or equal to the husband, the courts are always going to take a wiser opinion. But at the same time, if you're a woman who has no way of earning a living, has no money of her own, the court will always hold the husband liable to maintain you and your children. Right to your body. Sex, health and abortion. Sex. Refusal or denial to give you sex can be a ground of cruelty for divorce. Health, physical and mental health. Both are equally important. On being abused, call out. Right to abortion. Every woman has the right to terminate her pregnancy up to 20 weeks with the approval of one doctor and up to 24 weeks with the approval of 2 doctors in specific cases. Right to move away or out of that marriage. Right to call off your marriage. Right to divorce. Right to dignity, to respect. Mere animal existence in your marriage does not constitute to be a rightful or a valid marriage. A lot of times I see a lot of women being extremely reluctant on approaching lawyers or even acknowledging that they are being violently abused or being abused. It is important as women to understand when are we being abused, how are we being abused. When you recognize that, it's extremely important for you to approach a lawyer to seek your way to justice. If you're a woman, I'm sure you'll be more comfortable in communicating with a female lawyer. In that case, approach a female lawyer. The Domestic Violence Act allows you to approach the court regardless of having filed an FIR or not. In that situation, a lawyer will always help you pave the path to justice. Do not shy away from coming up to us. It's extremely important for you to have a fulfilling life, a life of your own. Do not stop you from living that. Thank you, everybody. Take care.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.